Welcome to the lightning storm channel. Today I introduce historical lightning strikes around the world. Lightning is a natural phenomenon that occurs during the interaction between layers of air with different electrical charges, especially in storm clouds. When the charge in a cloud accumulates to a certain level, an electrical discharge occurs, creating a bright flash of light that we call lightning. This phenomenon is often accompanied by a loud bang that we hear as thunder. Lightning is not only a beautiful phenomenon of nature, but also one of the most powerful and dangerous phenomena. During storms, air and water particles in the cloud collide with each other, creating a difference in electrical charge between the upper and lower parts of the cloud, or between the cloud and the ground. Lightning can occur between clouds, intracloud lightning, between clouds and the ground lightning, or even between different parts of the same cloud. Historic lightning strikes in the United States. Lightning has caused many historical events around the world, especially in the United States. Lightning strikes not only affect people and property, but also have a major impact on the environment, ecosystems, and even important historical events. Here are some famous and memorable lightning strikes in the United States. Lightning strikes in the Washington Monument, 1885. On June 5, 1885, the Washington Monument was struck by a powerful lightning strike. The lightning damaged part of the monument and caused severe damage. Although no one was injured in this event, it made people realize the danger of lightning and the need for lightning protection measures in large structures. Chicago lightning storm, 1967. On July 13, 1967, a huge lightning storm hit the city of Chicago, destroying hundreds of homes and killing many people. It was one of the most devastating lightning storms in the city's modern history. It caused widespread power outages and affected thousands of people. The storm spurred safety policies and the development of early warning systems for severe weather events in the United States. Lightning strike at Grand Canyon National Park, 2019. A powerful lightning strike struck a group of tourists visiting Grand Canyon National Park in 2019. At least 11 people were injured in the incident. Although no one was killed, the incident raised concerns about visitor safety at popular tourist destinations, especially those with high terrain and a high risk of lightning strikes. Lightning storm in Florida, 2020. Florida, known as the lightning capital of America, experienced one of its most powerful lightning storms in June 2020. The storm produced hundreds of lightning strikes in the area in a short period of time. Dozens of homes were severely damaged, and fortunately, no one was killed. However, it was a stark reminder of the need to take lightning precautions. What should we do when there is lightning? Lightning is a dangerous phenomenon that can occur suddenly and potentially cause death. To ensure safety, there are some measures that we should follow when lightning strikes. 1. Stay away from high buildings. When you see signs of lightning, it is important to stay away from high areas such as hilltops, mountains, or tall buildings. Lightning tends to strike higher points, so staying away from these places is very necessary. 2. Do not stand under trees. Standing under trees when there is lightning is very dangerous. Lightning can strike trees, and if you are standing near or under a tree, there is a possibility that you will be directly affected by this strike. 3. Stay away from metal objects. Metal is a very good conductor of electricity, so stay away from metal objects such as umbrellas, bicycles, metal fences, or anything that can conduct electricity. 4. Stay indoors. The safest way to stay indoors during lightning is to stay indoors. When indoors, stay away from windows, doors, and electronic devices such as televisions, computers, and telephones. Turn off all electrical devices to reduce the risk of being struck by lightning through electrical wires. 5. Do not use mobile phones. Although mobile phones are not the cause of lightning strikes, using mobile phones can make you more vulnerable to lightning if you are outdoors. When there is thunder and lightning, it is best to stop using your phone and find a safe place to take shelter. 6. Avoid using water. Water is a conductor of electricity, so during a lightning storm, avoid using water such as bathing, washing hands, or using a faucet. This can lead to being struck by lightning through the plumbing system. 7. Follow the 30-30 rule. A simple rule to assess the danger of lightning is the 30-30 rule. If you hear thunder within 30 seconds of seeing lightning, this means lightning is very close, and you need to seek shelter immediately. After the storm is over, wait at least 30 minutes before going outside to be safe. Lightning is one of the most powerful and magical natural phenomena we can witness. With its dazzling flashes of light that tear across the sky, accompanied by the sound of thunder, lightning is both mesmerizing and deadly. Lightning can carry millions of volts of electricity, powerful enough to destroy trees, set homes on fire, and even kill people in an instant. History has recorded terrifying lightning strikes with great destructive power, especially in the United States. Lightning strikes on structures such as the Washington Monument and areas such as the Grand Canyon National Park have reminded us of the brutality of nature. But beyond the destruction, lightning also poses enormous challenges in terms of safety and life. Just a moment of carelessness can lead to disaster. Therefore, careful preparation is the key to ensuring safety during a lightning storm. We need to know how to recognize the signs of an impending lightning strike. Stay away from areas prone to lightning strikes such as tall trees, lakes, and tall buildings. Find safe shelter indoors, avoid using electrical appliances, and stay away from windows during a lightning storm. These are simple measures that can save your life and the lives of those around you. Lightning can be scary, but with the right preparation, we can minimize the risk and protect ourselves from this danger.